Hey everyone, today we're going to be making charcuterie boards and we wanted to create a video to show you how we make them.
So here in front of us we have different types of wood species. The first one we have is hubabali, African padouk, figured purple heart, leopard wood, zebra wood, bokoti, brown heart, mahogany, and hard maple. So hard maple is the only wood that is not exotic, it's domestic. But the reason why we add it to our exotic charcuterie boards or cutting boards, it makes all the other wood species colors pop out. We love working with exotic wood because of the aesthetics of the grain and obviously the natural colors of the wood. Here we could give you an example of one of our cutting boards of sometimes on why we add the hard maple or curly maple. We work with both, but it makes the colors pop out.
And to stay tuned in for future videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to support our business, please check out our website listed in the description below.
So now let's get into the video.
right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video on how we make our exotic charcuterie boards. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate the support. And be sure to stay tuned to our channel so that you can watch future videos of us creating new products.